I will talk about how can you select subtitle language on your treated app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, you go here above this sign, you click on this sign here. So when you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you just click on settings. When you just click here on settings here, then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on languages here. Then you come to next step here. When you click here on languages, then you click here on subtitle language here. So then so just switching to open video, and here you select subtitle language in this list. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.